It's too soon, too far.
Hey y'all, welcome back
To my channel.
Well, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joven. No, may dapat maging ano ko is Gular or Okde. Ano ba guys? Ano nyo ako ng career name? Basta may pagpiliin nyo ako ng Ace Okde or Ace Gular. Ang Ace Gular kasi is from my mother's side and Okde is from my father's side. Father. So, ayun nga. Based naman sa caption, I am reacting to the Seraphim Hat English version featuring Jade. Oh my God! Wow! This is so overwhelming to me because I really love Jade Trouble as well as Les Seraphim. Pero I'm not hindi ako fan ng Les Seraphim. Napapakinggan ko lang yung mga song nila, but I love them. But Jade, she's my wonderful. She's very wonderful. She's releasing banger over bangers nowadays. She's releasing so many singles. Can't wait for her album, Jade. Tagal. Hindi na ako makapaghintay. So, nakikita niyo naman, ano yung background ko. Nagbago na siya. Diba? But, before we begin, like and subscribe. So, ayun nga guys. Nag-start na ba tayo? Baka maya na. Sige, go. 1, 2, 3.
Our blend, Jollibee Iced Mocha. Get that vibe with our blend of rich coffee and creamy chocolate that just hits different.
Go! Let's begin. Can't wait.
Shades in my eyes, cover my tears. You see the smile, I'll feel the fear. So lay my legs right, throw on some heels, hold on my head, and tonight I'll remind myself that I'm the one to be. Kiss in the mirror and see, step the lightning, so ignited. You can hate me for me, baby, let your love. Don't love me for somebody I'm not. I'm burning high. There's a fire lit.
Wait, it's so catchy guys. Nagsisimula pa lang siya pero ang ganda ng lyrics niya. I-rate ko siya mamaya. Maganda ba?
Inside me, and it won't burn out until dark. So tonight I'm not gonna fight it. Bonnie and Clyde. Not running from me, not running from me. Who I'm becoming, I love it like it alive. I'm burning high. Badges lying full of my baggage. Oh, you.
Can't wait for Jade's verse. So, tama nga pala yung sinabi ni Jade. She's working in collaboration in artists which is Korean, US, and UK artists. And Korean is ano nga yung tawag doon? Command. Na-command na siya. Na talaga, for real talaga sinabi niya.
You were so savage, but now I'm growing back.
lang. Natulbahan ako. Should I add this on my playlist or
I know that now I'm strong, you did me wrong, kept stringing me along. I should have seen the signs, wasted all that time, yeah, yeah. Now I'm on top, and you're not, baby, that's your life. Don't tell me for somebody I'm not. I'm burning hot, there's a fire living inside me, and it won't burn out after dark. So tonight I'm not gonna fight it, fight it, light it. Not running from it, not running from it. I'm becoming a living like it or not. I'm burning hot.
I like the vocals, the message of the song, which is, hindi ko naiintindihan kasi English. Kasi babaw ko sa English. Pero, feel ko naman siya. Hindi, ang maganda siya. Naiintindihan ko yung meaning niya.
The Seraphim.
Tapos na. So, tapos na siya, guys. I love the production, the how Jade fits with Les Seraphim. Okay, wag niyo ba siya, baka mali yung pagkaka-pronounce. Mispronounce ko yung Les Seraphim. Les Seraphim ba yun? Les Seraphim yun, di ba? Wait lang, isa-search ko. Les Seraphim. Pronunciation. Hindi kasi, I knowing Jade, her discography was very different from Les Seraphim's discography kasi Jade really focus on electropop, parang gano'n yung basta, diba? Pero I like how Jade really fits with
Shades on my eyes, cover my tears. You see the smile.
ayan, isip. Okay nga, I love how sana magkaano to, music video to, para makikita ko si Jade. Uy, I can't wait talaga sa album ni Jade, debut album. I am really sure that would be so no skip album. Tuk. Hello, ayun nga, thanks for watching, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And stream this song. Stream this song. It's such a bop. So my rank is siguro 9 out of 10 kasi parang nakulangan ako. Hindi, 9 out of 10 siya kasi parang nakulangan ako. Parang may ihahaba pa siya. Diba? Tapos, maganda yung production niya nga. As I was saying, maganda yung production niya. Yung verse ni Jade, especially Jade's verse. Hindi kong alam na siya na pala yun. Parang ang perfect talaga niya. Ang perfect niya sa lahat ng bagay. Mapa Korean, mapa Arabic, yun, yung kinover niya, Arabic song. Yung basta yung kay yun sa BBC, yun, lunch, gano'n. Ayun nga, I love the song, I really love the song, pero it's so catchy naman, diba? It's so catchy and very demure, cutesy. I love the, message, guys. Siguro ang mini-message niya is parang, hindi ko na-explain. Ang hirap. Sige na nga. Thanks for watching. Bye!
You know